the complete guide to cooking Rajma rice and how it is a delicacy in North Indian cuisine. Introduction. What is Rajma rice? Rajma rice is a traditional Indian dish that consists of red kidney beans cooked in a sauce made from tomatoes, onions, and spices. This dish is usually served with rice or flatbread. How to cook Rajma rice with simple step-by-step instructions. Rajma is a traditional Indian dish which can be cooked in many different ways. The most popular and easiest way to cook Rajma is to use a pressure cooker. 1. Wash and soak the Rajma overnight in water. 2. Drain the Rajma and add it to a pressure cooker with 1 cup of water. 3. Add salt, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste and chopped onions. 4. Close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook for 10 minutes on high heat or 15 minutes on low heat. After that time has elapsed, turn off the heat and let it cool before opening the lid of the pressure cooker. 5. Add tomatoes mashed with salt to taste in a bowl. Serve with rice or roti, Indian bread. What is the difference between white and brown rice? Rice is a staple food in many cultures around the world. However, it is important to know the difference between white rice and brown rice. White rice is made from polished or processed grains of rice that have had their husk, bran, and germ removed. This process takes away nutrients like protein, iron, and B vitamins. Brown rice is made from unpolished or unprocessed grains of rice that have not had their husk, bran or germ removed. This process retains the nutrients like protein, iron and B vitamins that are lost in white rice processing. Conclusion: the benefits of eating Rajma rice as part of your regular diet. Rajma is a dish that is very popular in North India and Pakistan. It is made with red kidney beans, tomatoes and other spices. Rajma rice is a dish that mixes Rajma with rice to make it more filling and nutritious. This dish has many benefits for your health. It is high in protein, fiber, carbs and iron. There are many variations of this dish that you can try, such as adding vegetables or making it spicy or mild.